Marketing strategies. Target markets. Our first and main target is undergraduates since the number of students who are undergraduates are very high, and this will help us to reach large number of students in UUM. Our second target market is postgraduates whom doing their master degree at UUM away from home. We chose them as our target because 50% of the postgraduates are already employed, and the plan would be more attractive for them since the insurance premium is affordable for them. Besides that, we also target the students in the Changlong area, which is residential apart 10 km from UUM. They have the primary schools and high school students whom also needs the insurance to secure their life. Therefore, not only that the parents can help their children to apply it for the health insurance so that they can make sure the children's health is secure in the future. Next is marketing mix. The first one is products. CMB banks first provide you with a customized financial solution that is made just for you. Just by telling us who you are, we will be able to recommend you the right mix of finance, insurance, returns, safe and transact solutions based on your life priorities. From that CMB first solution, our group chose Sunlink Life Insurance under the part of student. Sunlink Insurance is one of the products that came from CMB Bank. Sunlink Insurance will cover up to 2.5 million hospital and surgical entry operators. It will benefit students, as we all know that in their daily life students faces various risks like fever, accident and so on. With the cover insurance of up to 2.5 million, it gives a good benefits to students. With Sunlink Insurance, students also can get a claim up to 4 times on critical. Not only that, with Sunlink Insurance, students get medical facilities that will provide various facilities to students such as cashless admission in hospital. The next is price. This product is highly beneficial for students and also regular premium investment linked plan that offer insurance protection and potential investment return up to age of 99. Therefore, the minimum insurance premium payable is 2,400 per year. Third is distribution. CMB Bank use direct distribution channel to reach their customers. A direct channel of distribution describes a situation in which the product sells a product directly to a consumer without the help of intermediaries. See, these are the distribution part. Here you can see what I have highlighted here. Next is promotion. CME Bank can do a direct response marketing to understand their customers. Direct response marketing facilitates the delivery of a call to action and outcome via direct or online interaction for immediate feedback and response. Promotional method in which a prospective customer is urged to respond immediately and directly to the advertiser through the use of device provided in the advertisement. That's all from me. Next, my friend will continue with the marketing implementation.